Music Business for Artists is created by celebrated Irish singer-songwriter Megan O'Neill. This course blends tools, skills and insider knowledge to help you break into the music industry. Megan will take you step by step through the journey of a developing artist. From learning how to create a website to marketing your music on social media, this course will offer professional guidance on recording, producing and networking with others while building an impressive portfolio. You'll also learn about booking gigs, distributing music and earning royalties, at the same time picking up networking skills and building a fan base along the way. With content informed by Megan's personal experience as a solo artist, the modules feature practical examples, suggested tasks and industry insider perspectives. Alongside this course, you'll also develop a comprehensive portfolio of materials for use when elevating your artist brand. This course includes over 60 unique lessons across 8 packed modules created by a practicing industry expert with lifetime access to our immersive learning environment. So if you're interested in the industry or pursuing a career as an artist, songwriter or producer, this one's for you.